mapping and naming new volcanoes in the Geldingadalir area of the Fagradalsfjall volcano. Yesterday we saw a new development. We saw the cracks and fissures which already were open due to the thermal sagging actually having lava. Both sides of the crater, main crater Nor, has lava. Inside the northwest side of the plain of the lava that we had outside of the crater, we had new volcanoes eruption independent because they are not at the same level, and they continue to erupt although there is no other lava inside the volcano. And also on the southern side toward the Natai Valley, we can see some eruption. I'm trying to map them here. I'll put them on this aerial satellite image. The first one is the one that I marked there, and I suggest names for them. Second one, the third one is a little bit lower there. We see it behind the Theatre Hill. There are hints for it, and Alicia, as it is called now. And I put the names for them so you can see. There is a tendency. Yeah, I'll call them V1, F2, for example, Volcano 1, F fissure 2. There is a albedo or reflectivity difference between the area that the volcanoes are, and I marked them now with the red line. You can see that's, to my view, that's the fault line. That's where the Rift Valley is coming down in a terrace formation. That is what we expect from a mid-oceanic ridge. That's all these valleys fall one by one like steps, and this is exactly what we are seeing now here. In a short distance, probably around 500 meters or less, we can see this Rift Valley stepping down. And this one is all the fissures, all these fissure volcanoes now have formed on the side of the Rift Valley. That's very interesting.